Hello, my name is Sue, and today I would like to talk to you about the range of Alto step ladders, bridges and platforms.
Custom built to your specifications, Alto step ladders, bridges and platforms are manufactured from lightweight, high-grade aluminium and are designed with corrugated profile grooves to provide anti-slip protection on stairs and platforms. Fall protection cages manufactured with structural grade aluminium are also available for added safety where required. Industrial rated to 150 kilograms, the Alto range is fabricated to suit specific site requirements and is delivered as easy to install modular sections, making them a popular choice for installers. Designers love the Alto's flexibility and high quality finish. Support documentation includes technical spec sheets and manuals which provide the installer with step-by-step guidance in their installation.
Join us in our mission to save lives by taking safety seriously. If you have any further queries, please contact the sales team on 1300 301 755, sales@safer.com.au, or visit our website safer.com.au. Thanks a lot.